ดีทุกท่านวันนี้ผมก็จะมาพูดถึงเรื่องศิลปะในยุคปัจจุบันคือยุคดิจิทัลว่าศิลปินนอกจากมีความสามารถในการวาดรูปแล้วศิลปินในยุคนี้จะต้องมีอะไรประกอบด้วยเพื่อทำงานของท่านให้ประสบความสำเร็จตามที่ต้องการครับทุกอย่างมันเปลี่ยนแปลงไปตามกาลเวลาซึ่งสะท้อนความเป็นอยู่หลายอย่างรวมทั้งด้าน
Hello. Well, the KDT Art Gallery people ask what I'm doing.
Thank you, Kern.
As my work, I have different technique because today is a digital century. People always ask me about my work. Part of this 10% I use computer come and help generate the color. Hold on, I'm going to get the pictures. We'll show you, then you have more comprehension what I'm doing. Well, with a good conventional physical hand. So this is the original of my work. I did not cover the whole background with the color yet because it's easy for me to use computer later. This is the original. I use pastel chalk color along with watercolor. Make it more contrast. Some look good with different color. Okay, this is a complete work. Oh,
Kern, that's
wow.
upside
It's
down.
Upside down again.
Sorry ขอโทษ
This is the plant called caladium. Used to be expensive tropical plant few years ago in Thailand. Well, I miss Dutch people told me this is very cheap in Amsterdam at the flower market. Well, a few years ago in Thailand, the plant market set up this speculation, the price up to 200,000 baht for good color plant and look good.
What is this things?
Well, this is texture import liquid of latex used in home to help create textures. To avoid the competitors to know the secret of my work. If you have studied art in the late 19th century, you will know that famous artists who discovered a geometric system, Pablo Picasso, he has his own technique drawing platform called Cubism. Today, his work is expensive, have a high value, more than $100 million in the auction house. And the other famous American artist who discovered abstract design, his name is Jackson Pollock, laid down his canvas on the floor, hit with brush stroke.
That's right, Kern. Very lovely.
That called abstract. Today, his work has a high value in the art market. And the last person I would like to introduce to you is Andy Warhol, 1960. His work has a high value in the art market too.
Very lovely.
His work called pop art. Pop art is, I think, is an existing household product called Campbell canned food and few celebrities, especially Marilyn Monroe. Andy Warhol, he rearranged all the work into his technique, make it popular in his own idea. Today, his work has value over $100 million in the museum and the auction house.
Very lovely.
Besides your talent, you have to have marketing or art media to help support about your work to the international art market to let them know who are you, what kind of work you do.
That's right, Kern.
Today, the communication is very fast, all with low cost. Will help tell all the art collectors the reason why they invest in my art. The work hat right now is called KDT. KDT stands for Kern Digital Trend.
Very lovely.
You know, I do have all media, start from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, include Line that we use today.
That's right, Kern. Very lovely.
I have all access media used in this universal help my work. Today, what I'm looking for is the art buyer investing in my work. Well, this is what I'm doing. Thank you.
Thank you, Kern.